y'all, it's Naivondra. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is a DIY. I wanted to frame the shirt that I was actually born in. And as you can see, I was a pretty fat baby. I was 9 pounds. And I was born in an 18-month-old shirt. And it stretched out at the same time. So let's get right into it. First thing I did, I got a lot of things from the dollar store, Dollar Tree to be exact. I went ahead and measured this. My shirt. This frame is 11 by 4. It was the biggest one a Dollar Tree had. I just went ahead and tried to figure out how I wanted it to be laid on the frame. Then I flipped it over and I unfastened those little, I don't know what you call those, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all see me doing it right there. I undid that and I went ahead and pulled that cardboard out and took the paper out. And now I'm going to use this glitter tool and I'm going to take those little hooks out and I'm going to reverse it because I want the black to be on the inside instead of on the outside. I stuck those ends on the back side of the cardboard, and then I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this 3 more times until I cover the entire front part. So this is how it looks after I did those layers of tulle. Then I got these flowers from Dollar Tree as well, and I just popped the flowers off the little stems, you know, since they're fake flowers. And I'm going to put my shirt on there, and then I'm going to just like play around with where I want to put the little flowers. I'm gonna go ahead and take that frame and put it on top, and I'm gonna try to like hold it like a sandwich. You know, I gotta hold the bottom of it and flip it over so that I can put the little those little things back over the back part. Then I went ahead and cut the extra towel that was hanging on the outside of it. I just wanted to clean it up just a bit. Then I went ahead and flipped it over, and it looks good, but we're not done just quite yet. So I wanted to paint the frame edge white, but I don't know, it was looking kind of funny, and like I decided not to do the paint. I already had some sandpaper that I ordered from Amazon, and I just sand down the edges just so it wouldn't be as smooth as it is. And I decided not to paint it and just use rhinestones that I got from Walmart. I believe they were like $3. Then I got this E6000 adhesive. I also got that from Walmart. I think that was like $3 too. So I went ahead and poured some of my rhinestones in the middle. I used a little bit of glue. I never used this before, so I just put a little bit on the edge. After I got in a good groove, I started to use more of the glue, and yeah, this is how it looked. I was okay with it, and so I just continued to put more rhinestones on there. So this was actually like very calming. I was watching 85 Styles while I was doing this, and this was my finished product. It did not take me long at all. I would say it took me about 30 minutes to do this, and I absolutely love it. Love it. And now I'm gonna show y'all me hanging up my one of a kind on my wall. I am so proud of myself. And look at it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And this is my frame close up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.